Ever wondered how heating and cooling systems actually work? Say hello to Tommy and the Talking Thermostat, the ultimate STEM adventure series that turns HVACer into mind blowing journeys. Many kids find science textbooks boring, but these five fast paced chapter books make learning a thrilling experience. Follow 10-year-old Tommy and Theo, the talking thermostat, as they sprint through air ducts and navigate sizzling rooftops, all while making science simple and exciting. Perfect for curious kids aged 7 to 15, these adventures show how things like airflow and refrigerants keep homes cozy and safe. Dive into the chapters and unleash the joy of learning today.